Sometimes it got pointless, sometimes a bad girl cries to get what she wants. I spent the last 2 weeks just grinning, trying to work you out is killing me. I spent the last 2 weeks just grinning. Ooh.
Like we were in a trance.